Reflexology. Becquerel was Pavlov's contemporary, independently of Pavlov. He developed a theory of conditioning and a psychological system based on psychology. In 1907, he published his book, Objective Psychology. Becquerel believed that the future of psychology depended on objective and external observation. Before Becquerel, La Mettrie expressed that man is a part of material nature. Prior to Darwin, he had introduced the principle of continuity in the animal world and stressed the anatomic similarity between men and monkeys. Physical energy. Becquerel offered the most radical solution to the body soul problem, physical energy. This was his answer to a problem which reflects the greatest mind of mankind. Becquerel presented matter and psyche as a phenomena of the same mechanical energy. Causation and motivation, learning and thinking became reduced to a mechanistic part of discrete theory. Becquerel was an empirical scientist who simultaneously with Pavlov discovered conditions, reflexes. He, conduct, he conducted experiments on humans and animals. His experiments covered a great many areas of conditioning. In contradiction to Pavlov, Becquerel experiments are varied and include a great number of motor responses. To Becquerel, the energy used in organic chemical process express itself in two kinds of phenomena, objective and subjective. The subjective processes are called psychological. They are accompanied by the decomposition of phosphorus. Wherever organic life exists, subjective processes take place. Becquerel ascribed subjective processes to all forms, levels, and species of living matter. Consciousness. He believed the conscious or consciousness to be one of the state of energy. Consciousness is not a result of derivative of physical process. It is a state of physical energy related to central inhabitation and resistance in the cortical inhabitation and resistance in the cortical physical process. Our subjective process are secondary to physical process. Dialectical materialism. Or Peter explained the shift from biology towards the social science. Psychologists became aware that men are different from animals not because they had a soul which animals did not have, but because they had very complex social environment. As Marx said, it is not the consciousness of man that determines his existence, but his social existence that determines his existence. Marx also explained by acting on the external world and changing it, man changed his own nature. It is not consciousness that determines life, but life that determines consciousness.